Hello everyone, I'm Vanshika Saini, a pre-final year student pursuing electrical engineering from NIT J. So today I'll be sharing my interview experience for summer internship at Microsoft. So it first started with an online assessment test. The test consists of two questions. One was from trees and other one was from strings. The question was a standard DSA question. After this online assessment round, we got the shortlisted students. They gave us 2 days to prepare for the interview. So I focused on DSA mainly, and the things which I have written in my resume, like OOPS, OS, DBMS, and the project. So my first round started with an introduction. He asked me about my introduction, and then I have mentioned my project in the introduction. So he asked me like what is the tech stack which I have used in my project, and a few little things more. Then he straight away goes for the first question, which was about linked list. The question was that I have to add two linked lists as numbers. So first I gave him the approach, and then he asked me to code that question. So while coding it also, like while writing each and every line, I was explaining it that what I am doing. When I was coding it, he asked me some questions about OOPS, like difference between constructor and destructor. Then after I coded my question, he asked me some basic questions like difference between stack and queues, their time complexities while insertion, deletion, and all. And then he gave me another question, which was an array question. He asked me, the question was that each element is repeating itself, so I have to find the element which is not repeating itself. He asked me to give as many approaches as I can for this question, so I gave him like 3 approaches, and like he was satisfied. So yeah, so then he asked me the different time complexities for these 3 approaches. So yeah, this was my first round. The second round also started with an introduction. I gave him my introduction, he gave me his introduction. Then he asked me some questions about my resume, like 1-2 questions from DBMS, 1-2 from OS, and then he again gave me a question. So he gave me a linked list question that I have to find the middle element of the linked list depending upon their size, that if it is odd or even. After this question, he asked me a question that why I'm opting for tech companies and not my core electrical branch. So I gave him like the answer about the opportunities which I can make and the contribution which I can do in the tech companies. So after this, he gave me another question from the coding. It was a DP question. So I gave him like my approach through recursion and DP. So then he asked me to assume that this array is actually a graph and do it with the BFS approach. So yeah, this question was very interactive. He was also giving some approaches, some hints to do this question, and I was giving from my side. So yeah, this was the question. And then after this, he asked me to show him my project. So when I show him my project, he asked me 1 or 2 questions from the code which I have coded for the project. Then after that, he asked me to give him to ask him some questions. So yeah, I have prepared some questions. You should be preparing some questions for him to ask. It shows that you are actually interested in the company. Like my questions was that how is the work, first it was like how is the work culture at Microsoft. So like he answered, it is very good, like you can do also work from home, it is your choice if you want to come or not. My first interviewer was actually working as a work from home only. So yeah, this was my first question. And then I asked him like what is his domain in the Microsoft, like what he is doing in the Microsoft. So yeah, he told me that he is working on Azure cloud. So yeah, it was so yeah, this shows that you are very interactive and you are actually interested to know how they work at Microsoft. So it is a very plus point. So now my tips for the first and second year student would be to do DSA consistently. Do not just rely on the videos. Don't just do these questions which are just on the videos and solving it. No, do it by yourself. Find new questions. This will definitely change your approaches toward the question. Also, you have to build a good project for them because they will be judging you with the project that you have made. So it could be a web development project or a ML project as your interest says. Other than this, I would also say that your communication skills are very important. If you're not able to explain him what you are thinking, what your approaches are, so that is a very negative point. So work on your communication skills plus your DSA skills. These 2 skills are very important. Other than this, you should also work on maintaining a good CGPA. CGPA plays a major role while they are shortlisting the students. So focus on these 3 things very much. So yeah, this is all about my interview experience. Thank you so much.